Dear children, today we have the great privilege of wishing you for a twin celebration. Happy Children's Day and Happy Diwali. As we all know, today we are celebrating the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the Prime Minister of India, who is a beacon of light and a leading example for all of us. He was a great statesman and he has grown to the highest position in our Indian society. He wishes us and wants each one of us to grow, to climb the ladder of success with respectability and dignity. Today we are also celebrating the great festival of light, Diwali. So, on this great day, on this great occasion, I wish you all God's abundant blessings, wish you a sound and joyous Diwali celebration, and I wish that each and every one of you grow and bloom as good Carmelians and spread the message of goodness, kindness and love in our society. So we wish you all once again Happy Children's Day. Our teachers are here with a variety of cultural celebration. I wish them all the best. We shall stand united in this time of crisis. We shall be united in our heart and mind, and we shall celebrate all these festivals with utmost safety and enthusiasm and vigor. I wish you all the best and success in your future life. Thank you.
Our dear children, today is Children's Day, a day dedicated to you. For us is also a day dedicated to love. We believe every child, every one of you, bring more love into this world. When we see you, our heart swells with more pride, love and joy. In your shining faces, we see hope, we see a more brighter tomorrow. In your radiant eyes, we see promise of what you will achieve. Our dream is to make your dream comes true. We will be waiting with the bated breath to see you all make your mark on this world. Our heartfelt wishes to all of you. Happy Children's Day.
मेरे सभी प्रिय छात्रों को स्नेहपूर्ण नमस्कार। जैसे कि हम जानते हैं कि बच्चे मन के सच्चे, आज के बच्चे कल के नेता। इन्हीं बच्चों का हम और ज़्यादा महत्व देते हुए आज बाल दिवस के रूप में मना रहे हैं। जैसे कि हम जानते हैं कि बच्चों की अहम भूमिका होती है माता पिता और एक अध्यापक के जीवन में। बच्चों को समाज, परिवार और घर को खुशियाँ देने वाले भी कहा जाता है। आपकी भूमिका को माता पिता और अध्यापक नज़रअंदाज नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि आप हो तो हम हैं, आप हो तो आपके माता पिता हैं और ये स्कूल है। मेरी तरफ से आप सभी को बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Children's Day is celebrated across India to increase awareness of the rights, care and education of children. It is celebrated on 14th November every year as a tribute to India's first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, fondly known as Chacha Nehru among children. He advocated for children to have fulfilled education. Nehru considered children as real strength of nation and foundation of society. On this day, many educational and motivational programs are held across India and for the children. The celebration of Children's Day in India dates back to 1956. Prior to the death of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, India celebrated Children's Day on 20th November, the date observed as the Universal Children's Day by the United Nations. After the death of Jawaharlal Nehru, his birth anniversary was deliberated to be celebrated as Children's Day in India. It was done so because he was very popular with the kids as Chacha Nehru. Hence a resolution was passed in the parliament to give it befitting farewell to the first Prime Minister of India.
हमारे इंडिया में बाल दिवस या चिल्ड्रंस डे। इस दिन पे हमें पढ़ाई से मिलती है छुट्टी, मस्ती करने की इजाजत है मिलती। टीचर बनाते हैं स्कूल को फन, खेल कूद का लेते हैं हम आनंद। तोहफे और चॉकलेट हमें मिलते हैं सबसे, टीचर, मम्मी, डैडी, दादा, दादी से।